I personally love the study of light, quantum mechanics, energy, call it what you want. So I think lots about sight versus light. And so sight is instantaneous, light has a speed limit. Now my point is if you're seeing something specifically, like say the stars in the night sky or whatever, those photons aren't necessarily reaching you, and we can prove that that's not the case, or that doesn't have to happen to be able to see that. So to test that, you could have a satellite in space with two lights on it. One, have a laser or have a light, and as long as you can register at another point that that light is actually getting there, you can time that. And versus if you have beside that another like a light bulb or a light source that's bright enough for you to see it from our visual spectrum from the distance that we are. So when that light comes on, it should be able to register before that light actually hits you. Now, I would expand this a little bit further, and this is a little bit more iffy because there's some things in the time paradox that I openly admit I don't fully understand. But I would argue that time is relative. Okay, so let's say that we can use our telescopes to see a star or an exoplanet really far away, like from another solar system. So let's say that we can actually pierce, and I think this is a problem why we can't do it. Let's say we can pierce the electromagnetosphere of that planet. Probably why we can't see star masses and stuff like that too. But anyway, that's another video for another time. So let's say that we can, with our telescope technology, we can pierce that electromagnetosphere and actually see somebody on the surface doing their thing, whether it's a deer eating or, who cares. But my point is that because our technology is so advanced that we can actually use that to see what's happening on the surface of that planet live time, because we're witnessing it using technology currently. So what's happening currently here is happening currently there. It has nothing to do with the photons from that planet or from that person on that planet getting all the way here. It's impossible. That's just not how it works. But because our instrumentation would be in this case good enough to see that, it would be happening live time. Now I admit there's time paradoxes and whatnot that I don't understand, which is another subject for another day. And yeah, maybe you'll look forward to that one, or maybe you will. Anyway, you guys have a good day.